Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to know about Ajax. What is Ajax? Why we require to use Ajax in our web and HTML forms? Yes, Ajax is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Is a set of web development techniques using many web technologies on the client side to create asynchronous web applications. With Ajax, web page can send and retrieve data from a server asynchronously without refreshing and a whole page with the display and behavior of the existing page. And it won't be like a submitting when the activity which is going to be submitting by using the Ajax component, it is not rendered whole the web page to the server and it won't be submitted the whole page to the server. The component or the place where we applied exactly the really, though particular part of the portion will submit to the server and the portion only rendered from the server. Where we applied, see here, Ajax component in a particular place of the page. The place where we applied place only interacted with the server for refreshing or reloading data dynamically from the server. For this using the Ajax activity, mainly you have to remember the portion only we are interacting with the web page. Hence, we are automatically reducing the file transferring level. It may be 100 KB of file you are trying to transferring or submitting to the server using Ajax component and making a particular space of box creating for Ajax. That particular box only will render to the server. It might be like around 5 KB or like less than 100, like a whole page KB it will be. So such a type of interactions you are creating Ajax components of whole project means automatically it will improve your server performance very high level. And the page also won't be disturbed much more. Where the component is initiated, that page only rendered from the server. Rest of the page will not be refreshed. See here, a simple example is designed for you. This is the whole page of a web page idea. This is the header page of our template. This is the left menu and this is the right menu. And something the box where the notifications and latest letters we are going to display here. And here it's a footer. In between the content area, we have implemented Ajax control over here for displaying something which is the automatical time or date or latest news, something we have placed here. If the Ajax is placed here, if any latest news are applied at the server place, this component is automatically asynchronizing with the server. It is going to be rendering on, keep on. If you think that if we set in a timer for this, on every 5 minutes of intervals, it should be hit with the server and reload the page. So it will be goes automatically to the server and it will be fetch the latest information and it will be displayed to the users. Most of the users and most of the sites you may observe that like a trading website and weather websites, the latest information providers, they mostly use for like these type of Ajax controls. And the cricket or football, any scoring websites, if you may observe, they are automatically without refreshing the page, we'll see the updated score and updated the commentary as well. How it is possible? By using this Ajax box, automatically it will synchronize and what the server is having the data, it will be reflects without submitting the page and without taking much load of the like resources. It will be take the text data only and it will reload the browser and it will be present. That is the major advantages are there for using Ajax controllers in your web page. Try to learn many Ajax controls and try to apply. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.